Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a very common and frustrating laundry room problem: how to remove melted nylon from the bottom of your iron. It happens to the best of us, but don't panic and definitely don't throw that iron away. I'm going to walk you through a few simple and effective methods to get that sole plate clean, smooth, and ready to use again. Before we begin any of these methods, the most important step is safety. Always make sure your iron is unplugged and completely cool unless the specific method requires heat, and please work in a well-ventilated area, especially if you're using any chemicals. One of the most effective methods uses acetone, which is the main ingredient in most nail polish removers. With your iron completely cold and unplugged, soak a cotton ball or a sturdy rag in the acetone-based nail polish remover. Gently rub the melted nylon spot. The acetone will start to dissolve the plastic. You may need to apply a little pressure, but be patient. Once the nylon is gone, wipe the entire sole plate with a clean, damp cloth to remove any chemical residue. If you prefer a method that uses heat, the salt trick is a classic. Turn your iron onto a high heat setting, making sure the steam function is turned off. While it's heating up, sprinkle a generous layer of regular table salt onto a piece of newspaper or a brown paper bag. Once the iron is hot, carefully and gently run it over the salt. The combination of the heat and the abrasive texture of the salt will scrub the melted nylon right off. After you're done, turn the iron off, let it cool completely, and then wipe it down with a damp cloth. For a more natural, chemical-free solution, you can create a paste using baking soda and white vinegar. On your cool iron, apply a paste made from 2 parts baking soda and 1 part white vinegar. Let this fizzy paste sit on the affected area for several minutes. Then, use a soft cloth or a non-scratch sponge to gently scrub the nylon away. This method is great because it cleans without scratching the iron's surface. Wipe it all clean with a damp cloth when you're finished. No matter which method works for you, your iron should now be clean and ready for your next ironing session. I really hope these tips helped you out. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful household tips. We appreciate every single one of you. See you next time.